New technologies are exciting. They change how we live and work. In the world of maps, a new technology is here. It is called GeoGPT, and it is changing how we see the world. GeoGPT is a powerful tool. It uses artificial intelligence to understand and create maps. Imagine typing what you want on a map. GeoGPT can make that map for you. GeoGPT is trained on huge amounts of data. This data includes satellite images, street views, and maps. It learns patterns and relationships in the data. This allows it to create new maps based on your requests. Using GeoGPT is easy. First, you need to access the GeoGPT platform. Then you type in what you want to map. For example, you could type, "Show me a map of coffee shops near me." Section 5. Real-world applications of GeoGPT. GeoGPT has many uses. Businesses can use it to find the best locations. City planners can use it to design better cities. Environmentalists can use it to track changes in the environment. Section 6. GeoGPT versus. Traditional mapping a clear winner. GeoGPT is better than traditional mapping in many ways. It is faster, more accurate, and more flexible. It allows for real-time updates. This makes it a powerful tool for understanding our world. Section 7. The future of mapping with GeoGPT. GeoGPT is the future of mapping. As it continues to learn, it will become even more powerful. It has the potential to revolutionize how we navigate, understand, and interact with our world. Section 8. Ethical considerations and challenges. Like any technology, GeoGPT comes with ethical considerations. Data privacy and potential misuse are important concerns. It is crucial to use this technology responsibly. Section 9. Conclusion. GeoGPT, a mapping revolution. GeoGPT is a revolutionary technology. It is changing how we create and use maps. It has the potential to change the world for the better. Let's embrace this new era of mapping with GeoGPT.